Which home composting method is best? Vermicompost or Bokashi? Imagine turning your kitchen scraps into rich soil for your garden or indoor plants. Both vermicomposting and Bokashi composting can help you do this, but which one fits your home best? Let's explore each method to see how they work and what makes them different. Vermicomposting uses worms, usually red wigglers, to break down organic waste. It needs a bin with good airflow and bedding material like shredded paper or coconut coir. You can keep it indoors or outside, but it needs regular maintenance to keep the worms healthy. It works best with plant-based scraps like vegetable peels, fruit skins, and coffee grounds. The worms eat the waste and produce worm castings, a nutrient-rich compost that can be used right away in your garden or pots. The process takes about 2 weeks to produce usable compost. It is space-efficient and produces high-quality soil amendments that support sustainable landscaping and healthy plant growth. Bokashi composting is an anaerobic process, meaning it happens without oxygen. It uses a sealed container with a special bran inoculated with microbes. You can add all kinds of food waste, including meat, dairy, and cooked foods, which worms usually cannot process. After adding waste, you sprinkle the Bokashi bran and close the lid tightly. The fermentation takes about 2 weeks, during which the waste turns into a pre-compost that is acidic. To finish composting, you need to bury this pre-compost in soil or add it to a traditional compost pile for another 2 weeks or more. Bokashi is great for small indoor spaces because it controls odors and can handle a wide variety of food scraps. However, it requires outdoor space or a soil contact point to complete the process. When thinking about sustainable homes and energy-efficient living, your choice depends on your space, waste type, and how you want to use the compost. If you have limited indoor space and mainly produce plant-based scraps, vermicomposting is a good option. It produces ready-to-use compost without needing outdoor burial. If you want to process a wider range of food waste, including meat and dairy, Bokashi is better because it handles diverse waste in a sealed container and keeps odors in check. Combining both methods can be very effective. Bokashi can handle all food scraps quickly, and the resulting pre-compost can be added to a vermicompost bin or outdoor compost pile for final breakdown. This way, you maximize waste reduction and produce more natural fertilizer for your garden. Both methods help cut down on waste sent to landfills, which reduces greenhouse gases and energy use. They also support healthy soil by providing natural nutrients, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. These composting systems fit well with green home retrofits, creating closed-loop waste management that boosts your home's environmental performance. In the end, if you want quick, odor-free composting for all kinds of food waste in a small space, Bokashi is a strong choice. If you prefer a straightforward, plant-based compost that can be used immediately and requires less post-processing, vermicomposting works well. You can even combine both to get the best of both worlds, making your home more sustainable and your garden healthier.